Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Because we have the white, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to x. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 2e to the power of 2x. So we have number 2 and number 2. We have number 4. This one we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 2y. And we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3xy. The integration of 2x, that is about x squared. The integration of e to the power of 2x, that is about e to the power of 2x over number 2. So we simplify number 2 and number 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 2y. So we know that this one equals to this one. This one. And now we simplify for the both sides, and you got about number 0. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. And you got about c. Now we return back to this one. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to c. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.